Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and this is Kelly. It's her first time in the office today, and she's been to chiropractors before, but it's been a few years, like 5 years ago, right?
Yep.
So about a week ago, her low back started hurting. Over the last 3 days, it's been really severe. She's not able to go to work. You'll see she has a really hard time getting up and down. So we already did a history, a little exam, and it looks like the main pain's coming from her left SI joint, and in the she's a little jammed up in the upper lumbar region. So we're gonna work on adjusting those two areas, and this is pretty much what we see pretty commonly is people come in with acute pain, and then they tend to get better pretty quick with adjustments. So we're gonna see how Kelly does here today. So let me have you stand up. Nice and easy. Okay. I'm gonna have you lay on your right side here. I'm just gonna slide your hip towards me a little bit. There. So slide your shoulder down a little. Good. Alright. So, like I said, the left SI joint can be what she's using. She's got some spasming going on right now. We're just gonna real lightly push here. Just let that hip kind of roll over a little bit. There you go. Can you breathe a little? Good. Keep breathing. A little push here. One more. Let this come back right. You won't fall.
Okay.
And it feels like you're falling, right?
Yep.
Let that hip roll over. Here you go. Arch your back a little bit. Good. Breathe out now. Alright. Let's try and adjust that from the other side. Roll to the other side. We didn't really get that joint to release. We're going to try and adjust the left SI joint again just from the other side here. Here. Slide the shoulder down. There we go. So I'm going to have to roll you a little bit further this time because I have to
Okay.
get all the way to the other side.
Okay.
Right there, a little bit more, about 10 more degrees. Good. Alright, arch your back again. A little quicker this time. There it went. Good. I feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay. Lay on your back. We're going to adjust those upper lumbars now. Good. Gotta take a little pressure off?
Mm-hmm.
It did?
It did, yeah.
Good. Let's cross your arms. Like this. I'm gonna reach behind your head. Let that tuck right there. Just let me pick you up. Don't do anything. Right here. Lay back. A little bit more. Nice. That was easy. Okay. So if you're even enough, that's good. Let's see. A little tight, yeah. Pulling right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's breathe. Okay, breathe. Good. Let that go there. There you go. Alright, I just want you to lightly, with about 20% of your force, push against my shoulder. There you go, hold that. You can push a little bit more. Good, hold that. As you breathe out, relax your leg. There we go. There it goes. Okay, let's do that again. A little push. push a little more. Okay, relax. There you go. Okay. Just let this down. All right, let's see how we're doing here, okay?
Okay.
Come on up. Look easier.
Yeah.
Come on over here.
Better, but still sore.
Still sore. Yeah, it'll be sore. That feels a lot better back here. That's good. Still a little tight up top here. Is that a little tender?
Mhm.
Up there yet?
Just in that area.
I'm gonna have you lay on your right side again. I want to see if we get that area to move a little better. Alright, bring this leg up. Straighten this out. Alright, this time we're gonna push a little higher. Right up there. Yep, let that, you just let that leg fall off the table
Okay.
there. There you go. Push up here, L1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Pressure. One more. Very good. Alright, can you lay on your stomach? Good. Alright, table's gonna move a little. So let this stretch out. Let's stretch. Good. Right here. Stretch. Same spot, let it stretch. That pulling pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. Table's gonna turn a little. Stretch. The other way. There we go. It's starting to loosen up now. This spot here. Table's gonna make that noise. And push right here. Let that drop. A little bit, let it go. There you go. Come on up. Bring it back in the chair. You sat down a lot faster that time.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, that loosens up. Great. Good. Feeling pretty good?
A lot better.
Yeah, that's good. So, what you want to do today, take it easy today. I don't want you like sitting all day. I want you to move around a little, but take time to ice. Okay? Really watch like twisting motions. You don't want to be like running the vacuum. Be really careful getting in and out of the car.
Okay.
Okay? Like twisting motions are what's going to flare up that SI joint again. Okay? So ice, and then if you can make it back tomorrow, let me check and see how you're doing.
Okay.
So I think you'll be doing a bit better.
Okay.
As long as things don't flare back up. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so just take it easy and I won't go to work today. You're not gonna go to work
No.
today. Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna try to get tomorrow off. If I'm gonna call and see if I
Okay. If you need a note, let us know.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank
Great.
you.
You're welcome. Thanks. Thanks for watching.